Hey dump truckers, Dominique here. So in September we had some expected and some unexpected tire expenses. I thought that maybe you guys would want to hear about it. All right, let's start with the expected tire expense. All summer long, I knew that my rear 4 drive tires were getting low. We had sent some casings off and we had some retreads available ready to go on. I just hadn't had the time. And I know how a lot of you guys feel about them. You have a lot of strong feelings about them. Maybe you can explain to me why in the comments. I've run retreads in the past and I've never really had problems with them. I've lost a retread one time on my drive tires, and that was back in 2015. Maybe it'll be great, maybe it'll be terrible. I guess we'll see. So the 4 retreads here on the rear cost me $1,689 for the 4 of them. The next tire expense we had was 2 different trailer tires on 2 different occasions. So the first one was the driver's side, and that one happened after going in and out of a job that had 4 to 8 in the driveway. 4 to 8 is killer on these super singles. I think it's killer on all tires. I don't know why people use it. One happened one day and I was able to get it back to the shop or get it back to the house, and Curtis was able to replace it. That one was $502.55. The second one you guys would have seen if you followed my other YouTube channel. I'll put the link up here. It's the channel that I upload my shorts on. I just found that my shorts were kind of cluttering up this channel, and I wanted to separate them out for the people that enjoy the shorts and want to see them. So if you guys want to see the shorts, they're up here. But anyway, so when that tire went flat, I was already loaded, and Bobby came out to save me. He pumped it up, and I was able to make it and get dumped out and come home. But the tire did have a major hole in it. It actually had 2 holes in it. And Curtis had to replace that one as well. And that one was $621.80. So we're getting up there in cost now. And if you guys want to hear how much the steer tires cost to replace, stay tuned. Let me take just 1 minute here and tell you guys about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor is Scentbird. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service with a mission to empower each and every person to express themselves through scent. Scentbird is reimagining the way that people discover, shop for, and purchase fragrances. Scentbird is a place to begin or deepen your relationship with fragrances. Scentbird acts as a place you can express your individuality and gives each and every person the power to express themselves through fragrance. Scentbird lets you choose a new designer fragrance to try every month for just $17. Every month you get to pick what you want to receive, so there's no surprises. They have perfumes, colognes, and a lot of unisex options. With each fragrance, you'll get a 30-day supply, so you can try out a fragrance before committing to a full-size bottle that can cost over $150. Scentbird carries brands like Prada, Gucci, Versace, as well as indie labels like Skylar and Confessions of a Rebel. This month, I received Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue and Confessions of a Rebel Bitch Please. I chose Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for its memorable quality. I recognize the scent anywhere. It is light, feminine, and makes me feel just a little bit girly. I chose Confessions of a Rebel Bitch Please for its jasmine, sandalwood, and musky scents that make me feel like a boss. Use my coupon code Dominique for 55% off at scentbird.com. It's just a little bit over $8 for your first month, available in the US and Canada. So the most expensive part of our tire expenses for September were, of course, replacing both steer tires and one of the wheels. We, of course, replaced that passenger wheel. We did hold on to the one that was damaged because it still is probably okay, and we may be able to use it on either another truck or on this one again. We have that wheel saved, and then we have a new one on this truck. It's an understatement to say that I was surprised by the increase in cost of the steer tires. So the 2 steer tires that went on the front of this truck cost $829 a piece. That freaking killed me. I was shocked. You just have to pay the money. It's not that big of a deal. We'll make it up. It's fine. You know, we'll keep running and we'll keep making money. But I was shocked. I was under the impression that they were going to be around $500, but $829 a piece. The total bill, including all the taxes and the wheel, ended up being $2,790. Our total expense for tires and one wheel in the month of September 2022 was $5,000. $604.59. All right, dump truckers. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and make sure you guys check out Scentbird. The link's in the description, and I will see you guys next time.